Hello and welcome to one of a series of videos to help you get acquainted with the new Panasonic 2-in-1 Convection Steam Oven. In this video, we're going to highlight some key points about the unique convection baking function. So here we go. First, because there are so many features, always keep your owner's manual nearby. For now, let's get into convection heating. On the control panel, program the convection feature by pressing one of the two select buttons, left or right, to scroll through options until convection with preheat appears on the display window. Press the set button to program the desired temperature by using the left or right select button for a lower or higher setting. Now press start, and the oven will immediately commence to preheat. If you decide to change the desired temperature during preheating, press one of the two select buttons, left or right, for lower or higher. When preheating is complete, the oven will beep 3 times and a check mark will appear on the display window. That's your cue to set the timer according to your recipe and/or owner's manual to a maximum of 90 minutes, again by pressing one of the two select buttons, left or right, until the desired time shows on the display window. Open the door and using protective oven mitts, insert your food in appropriate containers on one or two of the metal tray accessories. Be mindful of optimum positioning for convection cooking on the upper and/or lower shelf. Press start to begin convection cooking as the timer counts down on the display window. To change the remaining cook time after the timer starts, simply press the left or right select button to subtract or add time. You can also convection cook without preheating. First, put your food in the oven, then press one of the two select buttons, left or right, until convection without preheat appears on the display window. As before, press the set button to program the desired temperature by using the left or right select button for lower or higher before pressing set to program your time. Then press select again to start the cooking cycle up to 90 minutes. There you have it. Convection cooking was never easier or better with Panasonic.
Panasonic.